If you're looking for home decor classes, well, first of all, you've landed at the right place. We're going to provide you with such a classes. We're talking about online classes, self-paced. After every single class, you'll be getting a completion certificate that you could verify online to help you enhance your resume, apply for projects, as well as a dedicated membership program for networking, peer support, and sharing your projects for feedback, as well as a dedicated jobs board, gigs board to help you try to land some projects, even a new job opportunity remotely or in presence to apply and monetize the skill that you have learned through the classes. I'm talking about our membership program. The details on the description as a registered CPD providers, continuous professional development providers who has taught over 200,000 professionals from over 175 countries. Our programs have been witnessed across the globe for educational and professional development excellence. We get featurings across the Financial Post, the Entrepreneur, Tech Republic, Macworld, and many other publications out there featured our programs and the excellence that our programs delivered in terms of helping you as a professional or someone trying to acquire a new skill, helping you acquire the skill set and the expertise, which makes a difference, whether at a personal level and professional level, such that by the end of every single course, you're able to acquire a skill in the fastest way possible, practical way possible, and simply go through a full-on transformation to help you enhance your day-to-day activities as a professional, whether personally or professionally. So if you're looking for home decor classes to help you renovate your own home personally, that's one, or professionally you'd like to learn a skill to make money out of, we got you covered. Take a look at the video description to learn more about the details. Now in this current video, I'm going to be sharing with you a lecture from one of our home decoration classes that will help you get inspired to understand the things that you're going to be diving into. It's not simply a matter of learning casually. No, you're learning through solid instructional design, proper practices that will ensure solid learning, transformational learning. So without further ado, let's dive into the lecture. And welcome back. So when you are diving into the project and you have a clear vision what you need to do, you are not going to start buying things and just simply placing them out randomly. You need to have a strategy. And your strategy starts from having what we call as a floor plan. So what is a floor plan? By definition, it's the bird's eye view diagram of a home or a property. Literally, think about it this way. You're looking from a top view, top down, and seeing everything, which includes representation of the walls, access points or doors, or any pieces of architecture such as a fireplace, anything which would make up the physical space before even adding furniture. Here in front of you, I've had a layout including the pieces of furniture, including the representation of the access points. But with a basic layout, you would expect to have the framing of the walls, like literally the dimensions of the walls, the length and the width, and the total square footage of the space that you're dealing with, including any columns. When I say columns, it could be the circular or square columns, which are used to hold the ceiling. And that's mainly it. This is the basic floor plan. But as you go about diving into the interior design process and applying it now, not just simply from a vision criteria, from a practical live criteria, you need to have a clear idea about the dimensions, the expected, the length of the space, the width of the space, the total square footage, the doors, how many doors do you have, where are they located, their dimensions. As you develop this floor plan, it includes metrics, dimensions, inches, centimeters, meters, whatever it is. Then, once you got this figured out, the next logical step would be to actually measure your pieces of furniture and roughly put, as I'm going to be showing you, how to place indicators of the locations. Notice over here, these are actual sketches for the pieces of furniture. This is not computer generated. This is an actual sketch of carpets, armchairs, sofas, different accessories such as plants here and there, coffee tables. These have been placed roughly in order for you before to actually commit to the purchase of the furniture and the actual vision to figure out from this stage. Are there any issues that we might encounter? And let me tell you something, like based on experience, it could be a very, very minor issue, but it could literally put a stop to your project. Think about it this way. Imagine you're buying a sofa and you live in a place where the door is way too small to get the sofa in. Well, good luck getting that piece of sofa inside that space. And this happens. Why? Because at this stage, it has been overlooked. Often you tend to find, let's say, decorators, not interior designer, decorators. They dive into the purchase of the product, the furniture, and then they shift it to the space. And often they come across these issues. So that's why it's important to follow these steps systematically. So now we have a clear idea about the importance of a floor plan, but we're not done yet. We have to actually take it one level further and to see how could we fine tune our floor plan. So, what do you think? If you found the lecture quite helpful, feel free to destroy the like and the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest in demand skills and expertise and industry insights that will help you elevate your professional and personal development and take it to a whole new level. And like I mentioned, take a look at the video description if you'd like to consider this even professionally. We got for you the membership program, which is very affordable, highly reliable, very popular. The courses that we have, they have been addressed by 200,000 professionals with over 2,000 reviews from over 175 countries, with a global presence in terms of professional development and training through actual sound programs that help you as a professional, someone who's trying to grow professionally, start a business, trying to develop, trying to learn some monetizable skills, or level up your professional skills. We're helping you acquire all of these in the best way possible through our complete ecosystem that will give you a fighting chance of taking your idea, turning it into a reality. And if that's something that you are aligned with, feel free to click the subscribe button. Leave your questions in the comments as well if you need some clarifications or you got some queries or you want to share some insights. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.